the outposts. You got Thunder Mountain back there and Splash Mountain.
Oh, don't worry, man.
Hey, Pirates Output Supply, Hardware, Golden State, Basement Hall, Cafe.
Oh, nice.
What? Yeah. So this is Mob today. This is a Thursday, a weekday, in the spring, in April, last week of April.
Yeah, last 2 days of April.
Nobody goes to school. Nobody works.
Nobody works. School.
Yeah. All that stimulus checks. All for Walt Disney. Frontier merchandise. Frontier trading posts. We're in Frontierland. If you didn't know it. Tom Sawyer Island right across there. Big Thunder Mountain in distance. There's the Frontier Shooting Arcade. Getaway Stagecoach. So the Liberty Tree Tavern is all you can eat.
Pork, elements, seasonal vegetables, for stuffing, coffee with mac and cheese, and all gooey toffee cake.
What time is it?
2:42. We got about 15 minutes.